Alright, this is a quick little video just to showcase a fun little program I made, and I'll explain it as we go along. So if I open the suspicious folder here and launch totally not a virus.exe, it's not sketchy at all. It creates a text file called virus1, and in it, some cryptic message. So now, if I just throw that away in the recycle bin, you'll see 2 come back. If I delete those 2, 4 come back, and it just keeps going on and on. Now, the way to get around this is go to enchanting table translator, right? Put this into it, and it says skadoosh. So if you change this text to skadoosh, all of them go away and the program stops. So now I'm going to see just how far I can push this program.